Hello and welcome everyone on a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to convert any video to MP3 on your smartphone or on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to enter to this website, cloudconvert.com. I will leave the link of this website in the description of this video. And you, after that, go to select file, to choose the file to convert, to choose the video, and choose a file from your cell phone. And after that, we choose the video. After choosing the video, as you can see here, there is the name of the video and convert to MP3. You just need to click on convert. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, it depends, of course, from the speed of your internet. The website is uploading the video, now processing the video. And now the video is done, it's converted to MP3. You just need to click on download, and like this you have converted your video to MP3 just by using your mobile phone without any need for your laptop. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.